There's a red oak stump. We're going to see how long this might take us to get out of here. We got about 20 inches, 19, 20 inches. And I just want to see good sized stump, red oak. There's some good sized roots on there. See, time it just for fun, see how long it takes me to get that out of there. I did get out a stump over here, but there's another one right down over here that's going to probably be tied into that one, so it's going to make it a little complicated, and we'll probably end up pulling that one first while we're working on that one. And we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned.
Nobody knows what happened that day, but everybody says it was insane. It was insane. It was insane. Nobody knows what happened that day. Oh yeah. Girls were dancing and the boys drank rum. Music was loud, so much fun. Boys drank rum, so much fun. Girls were dancing and the boys drank rum. Hey! Now listen, girl, talk to me. Forget your parents, come and live with me. Live with me. Live with me. Come on, sweetheart, live with me. Hey. Her father was working in a factory. Her mother said, child, listen to me. Take your £100 and leave the house. She left quiet like a mouse. Oh, yeah! Nobody knows what happened that day, but everybody says it was insane. It was insane. it was insane. Nobody knows what happened that day. Basement of a rat shack. Don't get to see no light. Locked in a